Hello, this is Joy Farrington with Realty Executives. I'm standing here with my associate Bob Berraby. We're standing on this beautiful patio of a new property that we've just listed in the village of Belle, Aire. And I'm going to let Bob explain a few details about the property, but we are having open houses here Saturday and Sunday from 11 until 2. The address is 1608 Staunton Street. Please come and visit us. I'm just going to pan very quickly so you can see how beautiful the background is here. And of course, where Bob is standing, you can see you've got a view of the golf course. It's really quite extraordinarily nice. So now I'm going to turn it over to you, Bob.
Thank you, Joy. This is a Amarillo home, which is a ranch, the most popular ranch in the villages. It has and always will be. It also has a real Florida room. It has a lanai that is covered, as well as a birdcage, which is where we are right now. The home has 3 bedrooms, very well kept, nice living room, a Korean kitchen, wood laminate wood floors, and it's just a great neighborhood with privacy in the backyard and a real view of the golf course. Come on over and see it.
Right. And Bob, one other thing, it's got a new roof, hasn't it?
It has a new roof, and it has a newer HVAC system,
And I don't believe it has a bond, does
and
it?
it has no bond.
Well, there you are. Those are 3 main things right there. And not only that, you'll see it in the video that we've done on the property, but there's a wonderful area back here, lawned area, grassy area, perfect for the children and the pets and just sitting out there and getting some sun.
And the pool, should somebody want one.
Oh, that's a big one too. You could possibly put in a pool, most probably, right?
It is.
Well, thank you. We're going to look forward to seeing all of you. Come and visit us, 1608 Staunton Street. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Bye.